It's a great day to be at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at one of 20 ROUSH vehicles that Island Ford has received. We're the only ROUSH dealer on Vancouver Island, and there was only 70 ROUSH vehicles delivered to Canada. This is a 2018 F-150 ROUSH in shadow black with black leather interior, seating for 4 doors. And it's got a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and you're seeing those nice ROUSH splash graphics on it, as well it has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to show it to you and take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have those nice all-weather mats on the floor and the leather seats with the ROUSH stitching in them. Off to the side we have our electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. And I'll just get in there, display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center is a little cubby up above, as well as traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. You're seeing your display screen. It's a touch screen, so we can go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got navigation, and this is where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse. You can go into your settings and slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay. So if you have your Apple phone with your Apple cord, plug it in, and you're going to get the same look as the screen on your phone. You have your volume and tuner, and there's your CD player below. There's climate control, and you have AC and max AC, as well as heated seats for both driver and passenger. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, little cubby down there. In the center, a couple of USB outlets, as well as in that cubby, and then we can actually push that closed if you don't want it. And you're seeing the serialized badge, so this vehicle is numbered, and I'm just going to show you on the other side there. And that's because there's only so many made of the ROUSH vehicles. This is an automatic select shifter. You have your drive mode, and when you press that, you'll see it appear on your dash. So you have normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then you have a couple of cup holders off to the side there. Your armrest opens up, and inside there's a bin, which is down on the bottom here, as well as a 12-volt and lots of room to put things. And then you just close it right up. Off to the side you have a 12-volt and a 110 and a glove compartment that's locking. Then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder. This is the button that slides that power window, and on a nice day like today, let's open up that dual panel moonroof. 20-inch wheels with Mickey Thompson Baja tires, wheel flares with clearance lighting, running board, body color door handle with keyless entry keypad, driver side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just below that handle. You also have the ROUSH graphics on the tailgate, and you have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch with the ROUSH square cover on it, as well as a locking spare tire and the ROUSH license plate holder. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the handle, and inside it's got a nice spray-in liner with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position, and then to bring it down, simply pull the clip. At the base you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and just like the front seats, they're stitched with the ROUSH logo, and they're nice leather seating. On the floor, the all-weather mats, and you've also got extra carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, USB and 110 outlet, as well as air vents. In the body there's a grab handle up above, hooks and handles, lighting, as well as that panoramic view, and in the back access to a power sliding window. Body color bumper, ROUSH splash graphics, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, Fox 2.0 suspension, ROUSH hood graphics, windshield graphics, front grille with clearance lighting, as well as bumper cover, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.